Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneNote with your school account, so everything syncs automatically to OneDrive. This prevents lost notes. Once signed in, create a notebook for the semester and add a section for each course so you separate subjects cleanly. Then make default page templates, lecture notes, readings, and to-do lists to save time. Doing these first steps gives structure and reduces friction. You can immediately capture notes, organize resources, and focus on learning, rather than reorganizing later. You now capture and organize efficiently by mirroring your syllabus. Create pages and subpages for weekly modules so you find material fast. Once done, insert PDFs, lecture recordings, and images directly into pages. This keeps files with notes and reduces hunting through folders. Make sure to tag items, important, question, to do, so review sessions surface priorities. Also link lecture pages to specific readings and use color-coded section groups. You complete the workflow by scheduling weekly reviews to condense notes and highlight exam material. During review, convert handwriting to text for searchable clarity. Once done, export or share pages when preparing group study packets and archive finished notebooks to reduce clutter. If something goes wrong and notes don't sync, check OneDrive storage, reconnect your school account, and force a sync. Those steps fix most issues. Finally, keep a backup notebook export each month so you can recover quickly if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.